Hello everyone! In this presentation, we will examine the relative charges of the subatomic particles. But first of all, what are the subatomic particles? They are the protons, neutrons, and electrons. In this tutorial, we will determine the relative charge of each subatomic particle. To do so, we will place two charged plates. The first plate is positive, and the second is negatively charged. One rule that you should keep in mind is that like charges repel and opposite charges attract. So two positive charges or two negative charges will repel from each other, while opposite charges will attract. Let us start with a proton. We will fire a proton between the charged plates. Notice the behavior of the proton. It moved away from the positively charged plate and moved towards the negatively charged plate. And since the rule says that like charges repel and opposite charges attract, the proton is attracted towards the negatively charged plate since it's positively charged. Now let's fire a neutron. As you can notice, it moved in a one-way direction, and it did not show any deviation towards the charged plates, since it does not hold any charge. We only have two possibilities, either plus or minus. And this proves that it doesn't hold any charge. Now let us fire an electron. Notice how it moved towards the positively charged plate and moved away from the negatively charged plate. That means that it has a negative charge, since it repelled away from the negatively charged plate. Let's now observe the behavior of the three subatomic particles. This is a proton. This is a neutron. And this is the electron. So again, the proton holds a positive charge, the neutron holds a neutral charge, and the electron holds a negative charge. So what does the size of the deflection between each one tells us about the mass of the electron compared to the proton? Notice that the deflection of an electron is much greater than that of a proton. So the mass of the electron is less than the proton, assuming that the relative charges of electron and proton are equal. However, they have opposite signs. Thanks for watching.